Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Alright, today we're in the Halfway Tree area and we are driving into Premiere Plaza in Halfway Tree. Now there was a fire recently and we are going to take a tour and see what's going on with the building that caught on fire. So this is Premiere Plaza and the fire occurred inside this building on the left. So let's see what's going on. Can't really see much, but they're still doing a little cleaning up. So these are the stores that were damaged. You can see they're taking out the old stuff and probably getting everything painted over and fixed up. Alright, so this is where the fire occurred. And let's just tour the rest of Premiere Plaza. Now the rest of the plaza was not affected, just that building that we just saw. Alright, so this is Premiere Plaza. Very large plaza. Well, but it's not as popular as the mall, the Tropical Plaza, the Mall Plaza, and Village Plaza. It's still popular, but not as popular. It doesn't have the amount of traffic that the others have. Plaza could actually use a facelift. Like there you can, when you drive through Tropical Plaza or the Mall Plaza, you can see how much nicer the plaza looks. Alright, so this is Premiere Plaza. We're going to head back out onto Constant Spring Road now. Alright, so we're going back out onto Constant Spring Road now. That is Central Plaza straight ahead. And then straight ahead now, that's on the right, that's Pavilion Plaza. On the left is a Scotiabank building, but that branch has been closed. Scotiabank actually has 3 branches on Constant Spring Road, so the banks have been closing branches and using more of the automated machines. Okay, on the right now, where you see those arches, that's the Halfway Tree Transport Center. And that's the largest bus park in Jamaica. And that's one of the reasons why Halfway Tree is so busy, because it's a major transportation hub. So if you notice all the activity going on, and it's just 2 o'clock in the afternoon. So can you imagine it during rush hour how busy this place is? So this is the heart of Halfway Tree now. On the left is a park, and you have more buses parked there. Now those coaster buses on the left can't use the Halfway Tree Transport Center. Only the JUTC or the government buses are allowed to use it. So the other buses and the taxis have to use these other bus stops on the outside of the transport center. Alright guys, thanks for taking the tour with us. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.